For Cozy Body Style 1, we're going to go ahead and take our yarn and take our hook. We're going to go ahead and make a slip knot. Now if we were making this for a standard size cup, we're going to go ahead and chain 36. If we were making this for a large size cup, we're going to go ahead and chain 48. So for us, we're going to make a standard. We're going to go ahead and chain 36. So 2, 3. Okay, after we have chained 36 chains, we're going to go ahead and place a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. We're going to go ahead and place a single crochet into the next 34 stitches for the standard size, or 46 stitches for the large size. Okay, after we have gone ahead and put a single crochet into each one of the chains, we're going to be very careful not to twist, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to slip stitch close to the first single crochet of the round, and we're going to go ahead and chain 1. We're going to go ahead and skip this stitch here, and we're going to insert our hook here into this next stitch and place a single crochet, and then in the next stitch we're going to go ahead and place a single crochet, chain 1, and place another single crochet. Now for the remainder of round 2, we're going to go ahead and we're going to repeat this pattern until we hit the first single crochet here where we're going to join. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to skip a stitch, and then we're going to go ahead and place a single crochet, chain 1, and place a single crochet into that next stitch. We're going to skip the next stitch, and then we're going to place the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and we're going to repeat this, skipping a stitch and then placing all of those 3 stitches into one until we hit the marker. So skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and then we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into the first single crochet made to join round 2. We're going to go ahead and chain 1, and that is this round 2. For round 2, for the standard size cozy, you're going to have 35 single crochet and 17 chains around, and if you're making the large, you're going to have 47 single crochet and 23 chains around. Now for round 3, we're going to go ahead and single crochet into this first stitch here, which is the same one. We're not skipping it this time. So we're going to place a single crochet into there, and then inside the center of our first V-stitch, we're going to go ahead and place a single crochet, chain 1, and a single crochet. Now we're going to go ahead and continue to work all around the remainder of the cozy, and we're going to be placing a single crochet, a chain 1, and a single crochet into the center of each one of the V-stitches from round 2. So inside, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, insert in the center, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Okay, at the end of round 3, we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first stitch of round 3, and then we're going to go ahead and chain 1. Once again, at the end of round 3, we have 35 single crochet and 17 chains for the standard size, and we have 47 single crochet and 23 chains for the large size. Now for rounds 4 through 12, we are going to go ahead and repeat round 3 around. So once we make this initial single crochet in the first stitch here, we're going to be working a single crochet, a chain, and a single crochet into the center of each one of these stitches, and we're going to do that for another 9 rounds. So from rounds 4 to 12, we're going to go ahead and repeat that, and come on back. Okay, after round 12, we're going to go ahead and slip stitch to close. We're going to go ahead and chain 1. Now for round 13, we're going to go ahead and place a single crochet into the next stitch, which is the gap here. Then we're going to place a single crochet in between the V-stitch. We're going to place a single crochet in the space between, single crochet in the V-stitch, and we're going to go ahead and do this all the way around. Okay, as you place your single crochet into the center of the last stitch, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull our loop through. We're going to go ahead and cut our yarn, leaving enough in to sew in the yarn. And pull this through. We're going to take our needle and we're going to go ahead and invisible join this off. And how we do that is we thread our needle. We're going to skip this first stitch here. We're going to place our needle in from the front to the back of the second stitch. We're going to pull it closed. Then we're going to take our needle and we're going to place it in the center of the last stitch going down. I usually go down through the stitch as well as out underneath the loop of that stitch. Pull it tight, but don't pull it too tight. Just want it to sit nice and flush. And we're going to go ahead and weave in the end. And once we have that woven in, we're going to go ahead and cut off the extra yarn. And our top part is joined. We're going to go ahead and take our bottom and we're just going to weave in this yarn as well. So we're going to go ahead and take and just weave that down in. And then just cut off the extra. And there you have it. We have our body style one cozy.